Hello everyone. This video is made with the intent that it should reach to the Apple senior management. They should know how much frustrated the developers are across the world and what they are facing since nobody is able to enroll and Apple customer care completely is not able to help anyone. So nobody expect this thing from a $1 trillion company. They should be treating their developers like this. So I hope they will take the action if it reaches to them because there are a lot of developers who are facing this issue. So I thought, let me become a medium to present it to the senior management, and if by any chance they will take it serious and help us all. So if you see, that's what I have written. Apple development program enrollment is a big joke, wasting precious time of all the developers and the enterprises. I will show you how it happens. Everyone tries to, I know there will be a lot of developers who have seen it. They'll be trying to enroll. They will get one email that within 48 hours, 2 business days, they will do blah, blah, blah. Nothing has been done. What happened after that, I will show you. You connect to their customer care. This is the customer care. They will give you very generic email. You can see, sorry, pardon me, 1 second. Yeah, they'll be very generic that clear your cache. Have you checked with your bank? All these uh, generic answers they will give you. Then you connect to your bank that have you received any payment request? A bank by default says no. And with the same card, when you are trying to buy any Apple app through your iPhone, you are able to buy it with the same card. That's what I have done. And when I presented the facts in front of the customer care, I called them multiple times. They were not having any answer. And now the people are stuck. We are not able to complete the order. Then I thought, is this the problem with me only? And to your surprise, that's what I want to highlight. If it reaches, I guess nobody is watching from their end. If you see, this is Apple Developer Forum. Okay, this forum is an official forum where I just searched, and to my surprise, there are thousands of such unseen posts. Nobody has acted on them, and people are frustrated. Even for the renewal of the apps, let's say next month my app is about to renew and I have to pay the membership fee. People are struggling for 2 to 3 months, and their apps has been taken down from the app store. This is the problem and frustration people are facing. So you can see here having issues authorizing payment for Apple Developer Program. You can see here. I will just show you some of them. Same issue from me. I'm from Belarus. I have tried to pay several times already. Support ignores my message for a week. Same thing has happened with me. You can see here I can't pay for a long support response with general phrases. That's what I was saying you. Like try a different payment method, contact the bank, clear cookies, bullshit. You can easily pay. There is no such concrete answer from them. I'm from Chicago. Same here. They are also facing the same issue. People from Germany, Poland, India, everybody facing the same issue. I'm just highlighting you some of them. This is how the big companies, I mean, fool the developers. Nobody's taking it serious. Hi everybody and Apple support team. I'm developer from Russia and I have faced the issue with the payment. Tried different cards, nothing happens. Apple just don't want to try to charge my bank accounts. And support team went silent 7 days ago. Okay, I will keep on showing you. You can see the frustration, and these all are latest. Can you see May 21? I can take you to I would say till December, November 2019 when it has started. I have been trying to pay for Apple development program. You can see everything people have done. Can you contact them and get wire transfer? I requested for the wire transfer. They will say no, we don't offer it because some of them have posted, some of the developers to try to help that if you get a luck or chance to get the wire transfer, then that way you can solve the issue. One of the developer has posted here that he used his friend's credit card from US near to Apple, where Apple head office is, and he was somehow able to succeed. But that is not the solution. One more solution they are giving you: did create your new iCloud ID and start using it. And you all know it's not possible. You have two-way authentication. You have your iCloud photographs, everything, your apps with the same iCloud. And few of them have tried that option also. That also didn't work. So you can see here I have been having the same problem for weeks. People have, can you read it? I have tried around 12 cards, most debit and two, nothing. Apple support officially told me they will not investigate any further, and they have not heard of anyone having the same issue. So there are tons of such. You just go and search and you will find. I hope Apple takes it serious. It's pathetic to be honest. I have been Android developer from past 7 years. I have never faced such issue in the Google in terms of the enrollment is too good, way ahead than Apple. Can you see I'm on 16th page because I have gone through all the pages. I have wasted my whole time to read if I get any hint or any help so that I can enroll, and the hard work that I put in creating my app so that I can publish it. Nowhere I was able to do. You can go yourself and you can search. Let us randomly search on 14th. You might be thinking that I have deliberately kept it on 16th page. So let's go. It's loading. Let's check. Guys, try and contact them by phone and let us know what they say. Nothing. I have tried that also multiple times. So let us see this page and I will. Okay, so can you see this is from France, same issue. Did you manage to work finally? Nothing. Can you please send us some screenshots? This is the worst thing I read a while. Can you see? Everybody having same issues. You can read through yourself. How do you manage to get wire transfer? They told me they don't do wire transfers. Can you see? This is not working. Nobody is happy because nobody is getting the help. So I contacted my payment institution many times and finally got the answer. My payment institution has blocked payments from apple.com because of money frauds. I have been trying to pay this. I have tried three different credit cards, two Apple IDs, no charge on my card, nothing. I have the same issue. I'm from Belarus. My card is valid. Everything is fine. Apple, their direct enrollment program is POS that doesn't work. It makes no sense. I hope they become bankrupt. Oh no, I don't wish that. I would wish to. This issue should get fixed. Where is Apple? Can you see the Apple around here? The huge, giant, awesome company Apple. Where are you? Okay, I will take a pause. I just need, guys, your help. I just want to get enrolled. I'm not here to demean the Apple company. I just want their customer services to be good enough, fast enough so that we can get the resolution. Thank you. I hope it reaches to the senior management. Thanks. Thanks a lot.